When you're ordering labels, there's a really important step that you usually don't have to pay attention to because we take care of it behind the scenes, but it's something we get asked about semi-often, so in this video we wanted to explain what it is and help you make sure that you're choosing the right option for your business. The setting we're talking about is Label Unwind. Don't get this confused with Label Wind, which is kind of a different concept, but it's still really important to making sure that you're not wasting time or labels when you're creating your products. Some of this might sound confusing if you're not familiar with production lines and big labeling equipment, but we'll explain it in this video, and with OnlineLabels Group, you can connect with a specific representative who will help you set up the specific labeling needs of your business. This way you make sure that your label rolls have the right unwind direction the first time, and you don't have to deal with lost inventory or any other issues. So let's talk about what Label Unwind is and why it matters. Let's start with the basic idea. Unwind direction refers to the direction the labels move off the roll when fed into a labeling machine or dispenser. In other words, it describes the label's orientation as it unwinds from the roll before being applied to a product. So really, you just have to match your machine's configuration. If the unwind direction is incorrect, labels may feed sideways, upside down, or backward, and that'll just create delays, wasted labels, and production downtime. Since automated labeling equipment is designed to pull labels from the roll in a really specific way, depending on the machine, being familiar with your own setup is crucial. As the roll feeds through the labeling machine, the label separates from its liner and then gets applied to the product in a specific position. For companies labeling products manually with handheld dispensers, there might be a little more flexibility. But if you're working with high-volume manufacturing environments like in beverage bottling, food packaging, cosmetics, health products, or industrial goods, efficiency is key. And the unwind direction needs to match the labeling equipment exactly. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want any more tips on labeling, business, packaging, and beyond, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and make sure to reach out at OnlineLabelsGroup.com to find the right options for your business.